Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to create a sales entry in RetailSoft. So it is very simple. Go to the sales model, go to the sales entry screen. A shortcut key is also there. You can press Ctrl plus C for the shortcut. I'll click on it. So now in this screen we can select this, which is the product customer name. I'll select the customer name. In the customer name you can see and see we can see this on the screen. What is total visit of a customer? See on a single screen we can come to know what while making a bill, what is how valuable that customer is. We are given very simply on the screen. This total widget we can see this two are the total widget. What is the basket size? That is a 280 is the basket size of a customer. So on average, that customer is a 280 rupees ka mal. This pro goods that particular person purchases on every occasion or every bill. This is the two options are wallet and this balance. If customer keeps some, if customer buys in a credit, so we can see the what is the balance available at customer's place. Or if customer give in advance, then it will show in a wallet amount. So we can select the customer here. We'll select. We can select item by item code. We can search item by the name. We can give you item code. We can scan barcode. This is how we can deal with the multiple the ways to select the product. So I'll put 8 is the code. Then after I'll select the 6 is the code. So this is how we can enter the item list on the screen. So this is in this way. After this, if I want to give the bill discount, so I can put the bill discount over here for 5% discount, like this way. So if I want to do, see, this is how we can give the bill discount. So if I want to save it, then I just simply click on the F1 button, that is save button. I will say it is I don't want to, so I don't have a printer attached, so I will say it's a no printout. I don't want printout, so I will just save it. So we have created offers. So even in our store you can create your offers. Say this is an offer for this discount percent. I do want to apply it. Yes, if I say applied, yes, 10 rupees extra discount has been applied on this bill as well. So if customer give the cash or card or split bills, even we can make the bills. When customer give 92 rupees as a cash, 92 rupees, and rest of the bill he has paid by the card or UPI, we can select that and we just press enter key. This is called a split bill as well. In application we have a split bill option, as well as we have a single tender. We can get a payment from the UPI as well. There are all tender types what we are having. This is the how we can create a sales bill in a retail shop.